Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Signing with Omar. Today's video is going to focus on days of the week. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's first start with the sign day. Simply take your non-dominant hand, bring it out in front of the body with the palm facing the ground. Take now your dominant hand, place the elbow on top of the palm of the back of the non-dominant hand, form a 1, and then bring that down. Let me show you that again. That is how you sign day. Now for the sign week, simply take your non-dominant hand, palm this time facing the ceiling, take your dominant hand, form a 1, place that on top of the palm of the non-dominant hand and simply go forward. That is how you sign week. Now for the days of the week. Let's start with Sunday, and there's two different ways of signing Sunday. The first, I simply take both hands, stretch them out in front of the body with the fingers slightly spread apart, and then bring them down. That's the first way of signing Sunday. Now for the second, simply take both hands in front of the body, fingers slightly spread apart, and do opposite circular motions with them. Now, let me do that one more time. The first way of signing Sunday, and for the second. These are the two different ways of signing Sunday. Now for the sign Monday, simply take your dominant hand, make an M. If you did not know this was an M, I did make a video on the alphabet, so please go back and refer to that video. But make an M, but make sure that the palm faces the one who's signing. Faces me, and then simply take a small circular motion with it. That is how you sign Monday. For the sign Tuesday, make a T, make sure the palm faces you, the signer, and do that same circular motion. For Wednesday, make a W, do that same circular motion. For Thursday, now there are two different ways of signing Thursday. The first is to make an H and do that circular motion. But also the second way I've seen it done was THs. TH, TH. Do that 2 times. Now let me show you how to do these two one more time. Or, that is how you sign Thursday. For the sign Friday, simply make an F and do that circular motion one more time. For Saturday, you make an S, palm faces the signer again, and do that circular motion again. That's Sunday through Saturday. I'll do those very quickly. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now let me show you some other signs that deal with days of the week as well. How about the sign today? Simply take both hands, make Ys, or you can take your hands and bring the first 4 fingers together with the thumbs extended outwards. But I like to do Ys. And simply go down twice. Today. Now while we're here, there's another sign that's very simpler, and that's the sign now. You simply do it once, go down once. Or. So that is how you sign today and now. How about the sign tomorrow? Simply take your dominant hand, form an A, thumb kind of slightly out. Bring that towards the angle of the cheek and flick the thumb forward. Let me show you that from the side. That is how you sign tomorrow. Now for the sign every day, very similar. Bring that A hand towards the side of the cheek, but this time you're going to repeat that motion. Let me show you from the side. I'm not flicking, I'm actually just following the angle of the jaw. That is every day. How about the sign weekend? Now there's a few ways of doing this. Let me just show you 2 of them to make it easy. simply take that non-dominant hand. You're going to almost do the same sign as week. But the difference is, once you bring that one up, you're going to bring the fingers together of the dominant hand and go downwards. Show you from the side. Now another way of doing weekend, simply take your non-dominant hand, bring the fingers together like this, standing it on the side. Take your dominant hand, bring it across and down. These are two different ways of signing weekend. For the sign yesterday, two different ways of signing that. Simply make a Y with your dominant hand, bring that Y onto the face, kind of by the outward portion of the mouth, and then bring that up towards the ear. Or you can do an A. Let me show you that from the side. Or, that is how you sign yesterday. For the sign next week, simply take your non-dominant hand, extend that out in front of the body, bring it on its side, then you take your dominant hand with the one, bring that down, under, and forward. That is for the sign next week. For the sign last week, very similar to week, take your non-dominant hand, palm facing the ceiling, then you take the one of the dominant hand, bring it forward like you're doing week, but curve it backwards, like you're going back in time. That is how you sign last week. Now, these are just very basic signs concerning days. If you did learn something, please hit the like button. Then next, hit the subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification button and stay tuned for my next ASL video.